Divine Collective, someone here wants to come see you. Someone here admires you, okay? And then you have a distorted masculine in the background that is in regret about something that they've done to you. Divine Collective, that's what I'm picking up on. Someone out there playing phone tag. I'm picking up on phone tag. Someone really wants to talk to you, Divine Collective, but all they're getting is your voicemail. Maybe your phone is on Do Not Disturb. Maybe you have someone blocked here, Divine Collective. Whatever the case may be, someone really wants to talk to you. Someone is saying, I don't want to throw this away, okay? Something they don't want to let go of. Not something, it's you. It's your energy, Divine Collective. Praying that you haven't seen what they've done, Divine Collective. But once you see, Spirit says you can't unsee. Yeah, someone's upset. They feel like they've lost an opportunity here. Someone feels that you're gone for good, Divine Collective. They're pissed. Someone is also sick. This person is saying, I don't want to be sneaky anymore. This person does not feel your love anymore, Divine Collective. You have cut that cord. You have severed that cord, okay? They do not feel any type of connection with you any longer. No love at all, which has left this person sick. Now that you've taken back your energy, they're sick, Divine Collective. Yeah, you got, this person is all up in their head, Divine Collective. I'm getting a lot of anxiety, like, what do I say? How do I say it? How do I approach this person? This person knows that they have to come to you correct. Just know that, Divine Collective. Come to you correct or don't come at all, okay? Someone is thinking about how to approach you. This is someone who is going around telling others that you are faking. Maybe it is you're doing something in the public eye here, Divine Collective. Whatever it is that you're doing, you are exactly where you need to be. Spirit says you are in alignment, and you had someone going around telling others that you are faking, okay? Release any judgments or burdens that you carry from the past, Divine Collective. You do have someone that's very attracted to you, okay? But I'm getting a confrontational situation here, Divine Collective, because someone is coming off very determined here. Whoever this is that's very attracted to you, but you've cut a cord with, Divine Collective, there's some type of confrontation here. They're not letting you go, okay? They're very determined to get you back, or at least fix what they feel is broken, okay? This person is hiding a health issue. They may want to come in and talk to you about this health issue, Divine Collective. You are very respected and admired. You didn't do anything to this person, Spirit is telling me. They lied with hopes of collecting off of you, okay? They wanted to sit back while you did all the work. And when you reached to the point that you're at now, Divine Collective, they wanted to kind of swoop in and take all that away from you. This is very familiar to things that I've talked about in the past when it comes to Masons, the Freemasons, Divine Collective, when they're choosing a partner. You know, I've talked about this before. They will often attach themselves to very high vibrational beings, okay? Ones that they can benefit off of, and they will be with you for years, have multiple children with you, Divine Collective, okay? And just live an entire life with you. And at some point, things will start happening, like it will start to feel like just this bad luck hit your life, Divine Collective. Things, you know, your finances start to take a hit, things around you start to take a hit. And in my case, that's when everything started to unravel. I didn't understand what was going on at the time. All I knew was that it all felt like it was on my shoulders and it was my fault. That's all I knew. But now that I sit here today, I see how everything was orchestrated, Divine Collective, okay? You know, they get you to a certain point and then it's like they just take the rug right from underneath you. They snatch it. It doesn't matter if you have kids with these individuals or not. That's just how they're wired. They're warlocks, Divine Collective. So again, whoever this is, they lied the entire time. Nothing was ever true with this person. I feel like you had to accept, you had to heal, you had to move on, knowing that your entire life with whoever this was a lie. Okay? They lied with hopes of collecting off of you. They may have even succeeded in taking everything from you. But you kept moving forward. Okay, and that's when this entire narrative flipped, Divine Collective. It was never anticipated that you would continue moving forward when you were thrown into rock bottom. For so many of you, you were thrown there, okay? There was no warning, nothing like that. You had to work your way out of a hole, a very dark hole. And for so many of you, that's how it was always orchestrated. Okay? Wild. Someone really wants to expose their feelings to you, Divine Collective. They're making that very clear in this energy. Okay? We are shifting into a new energy, Spirit is telling me. You are someone who is destined to teach others. Confirmation. I'm speaking to someone in the public eye, someone who teaches, okay? Someone is just in disbelief that you've made it this far, Divine Collective, okay? Which is wild because they've seen the potential in you all along. This is someone who has always known how special you are, Divine Collective. So why are they in so much disbelief? They just never thought they'd get caught, okay? This is someone that you've already, Spirit is telling me, been through a storm with, rocky times, very bad breakup, Divine Collective. I'm feeling that. I'm feeling Masonic energy in this reading, like someone was married to a Freemason, possibly an Eastern Star here, Divine Collective. Spirit says everything that you've predicted is playing out in the background, and these people are shook, Divine Collective. These downloads you're getting, these premonitions, everything is playing out in the background. Maybe that's why a lot of people are in disbelief. Someone wants to come in and move at a slow and steady pace, Divine Collective, okay? Alien DNA. You are different. You are unique. You are rare, okay? Alien DNA. Spirit says they made a decision by what they already did to you, they feel, okay? So this is someone who is holding themselves accountable, Divine Collective. I will say that they're realizing that they did not give you the love or appreciation that you deserved, okay? They're now realizing this, Divine Collective. And you're moving on. I feel like you're just happy that everything is over with and you have the clarity that you needed, Divine Collective, in order to move forward. Okay, I see you here just working in regards to self-love. Spirit says you're in alignment. You're exactly where you need to be. Medical records are of significance. Someone is doing something that they normally don't do, or you're doing something that you normally don't do. Medical records are of significance. Family feud, returning from the dead, candle magic, Divine Collective. I picked up on this a couple days ago. I got a download. Spirit gave me a download of a list of medical professionals that were hacking into my medical records, Divine Collective, and going against HIPAA. So that could have something to do with this for sure. Medical records.